Hi besties! A here, your travel and food vlogger. Nagkikrave ka na naman ba ng food katulad ko? Tamang-tama yan, may alam akong bagong buffet na sikat ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-food trip dito sa Food Club Manila Buffet. Alamin natin kung worthy ba ang food, price and promos, ambience ng restaurant, at customer service and location. Worthy bang bisitahin ang buffet restaurant na to? Let's find out! So today, we're going to Food Club Manila sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. And I'm so ready to eat like walang bukas. Located sa 4th floor ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Pasay. Super convenient pa. Malapit sa City of Dreams and Soler, and may affordable parking din. Ang buffet nila offers over 100 dishes from around the world. Mapa Filipino, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Mediterranean, Western, and more. May live cooking stations pa for the extra flair. By the way, quick kwento nga pala. Food Club Manila started around 2015, aiming to bring hotel-style buffet vibes outside of hotels para mas accessible sa lahat. They reopened dito sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay noong October 2022, and now it's one of the go-to buffet spots in the South. Ang dami nilang food choices, like legit. Ikaw na lang ang susuko. Hindi ka mauubusan, besh. Isa sa mga favorite ko dito ay yung tempura and dumplings. Malaki ang size ng shrimp and halatang hindi tinipid sa filling ang dumplings. Napakamalasa pa at mapapakuha ka ng madami. Napakasarap din ng mga main courses nila. Isa sa mga pinakanagustuhan ko ay ang lechon. Of course, sino bang hindi tatanggi sa lechon? Dito, napaka-crunchy and juicy ng bawat kagat. Napakasarap din ng alio-olio pasta. Sobrang daming tahong na sahog, hindi siya malansa, and yung lasa is the best. For sure, magugustuhan niyo din to. And lastly, sa desserts, panalong-panalo yung ice cream nila. Di ka din mauubusan ng choices sa mga gusto mong toppings. And overall, sobrang busog na busog ako. Worth it and highly recommended ang food here. Sa ambience naman, super ganda. The place is spacious, cozy, and malamig. Perfect siya for big groups and celebrations kasi ang laki talaga ng space. Instagrammable din ang setup lalo na sa food stations, and may chill and inviting vibe pa yung buong area. Though madaming tao when we went, Sunday lunch kasi, so expected na madami talagang tao. And just make sure na extra ingat lang while walking around, lalo na if may hawak kang plates. Pero all in all, okay na okay yung vibe dito. For the price and promos, just a quick heads up sa mga rates. Weekday lunch is 898 pesos. Weekday dinner, 1,098 pesos. For weekends or holiday, both lunch and dinner, 1,198 pesos. May birthday promos din sila. For celebrants, they can eat free basta may 3 paying guests, and may senior citizen discount din. And by the way guys, hindi pwedeng sabay gamitin yung mga promos ha. Kaya kami, we went with the birthday promo para mas sulit. for the customer service, lahat ng staff super accommodating. Like if may kailangan ka, they'll help you right away. Plus points talaga yun for me. For location, very accessible ang Ayala Malls Manila Bay. Madali lang puntahan and super convenient yung parking. So there you go guys. Honest review for Food Club Manila. Overall, I had a great experience kahit sobrang daming tao. If you're planning to go, I suggest mag-book kayo in advance and maybe go on a weekday para mas chill. Still, it's a solid spot for celebrations, family bonding, or kahit cheat day mo lang. So I think that's it for now guys. Thank you so much again for joining me today. Samahan niyo ulit ako next time. And please, do not forget to like, comment, and share kung nagutom ko rin kayo sa video na to. See you sa next kain trip. Bye besties!